Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add websites to auto translate. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and ensure that you add the Lufe.ai extension to your browser. As you can see, I'm currently using Google Chrome, and I have it pinned on the upper right hand side that I can quick access to it. So you can always go ahead and do that by simply visiting any website. So if I want to auto translate, for example, youtube.com, I can go to youtube.com, and if I want to auto translate this specific website, then what I would do is to click the extension on the upper right hand side, and here you will be able to find the option that says always translate this site. Once you toggle this on, guys, ensure and also choose your target language, it's going to always translate this website for you. And you might not know it, but this is actually stored within the settings. Alternatively, you can add websites for yourself. So let's say I want to add a website. By not only visiting the website, I can always click on the settings option, and under the basic settings, go down and you will find the option that says always translate these sites. And all those different websites that you have been to, you will see that they have added there. So here I have google.com and I have YouTube. If I want to add extra site, I can simply click on the plus here, add site, and I can always type in the URL. So they basically show you how you can do it, and you can easily go ahead and add the website in general. So let's say I want to auto translate Etsy. So I can type in Etsy.com and basically click and add, and it's going to add Etsy to that website. And if I head over to Etsy.com, and here you can see that it auto translate the website, and if I click on the upper right hand side, you will see that it shows. In case you visit a particular website and it does not auto translate for you, just go ahead and simply double check the app to see if it's currently translating the website. It's very easy. If it didn't work, just simply click on it to toggle it on to ensure that it actually works. But that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and add sites to auto translate on Lufe.ai.